So you may have seen my other video. I have got a blocked toilet. My son has decided to put something down the toilet. It's not moving. Plunger's not working. So I tried to get endoscope cameras and test some out. Well, I'm going to try this one next. Straight away, I am already convinced this is a better option. Previously, I did have one that was one that just plugs into your mobile phone. That's okay, but also not ideal when you're trying to handle going down a toilet. You don't want your phone being anywhere near that bowl, and the connection is intermittent. So I got this guy. So this one has 2.4 meters worth of cable, and the camera, as you can see, automatically when I turn it on has the light, so that's really handy. And it is hardwired into the device, so I don't need to worry about the connection coming in loose while I'm working with it. Also, you'll see here, you can see, well, the camera won't really pick it up, but it's got a 2.4-inch monitor, which is clear. It's good enough picture quality as well. It's better than the ones that are plugged into the phone. And you've got many options. You can zoom in and out. You can make the light go even brighter if you want to. And you can change the tones within the picture quality too. So this one is USB-C to recharge it. So super simple. You don't have to worry about batteries. And as I said, this will do you up to 3 hours. So it's hopefully not going to take me 3 hours to look down a toilet, but you never know. So it does have a little icon up the top just to let you know how much battery life you do have. But overall, I would definitely recommend these ones over the cheaper ones that you plug into your phone. Just purely from the fact it's easier to handle. You're going to be going down the toilet. You want to have a monitor that is not your phone and make sure it feels a bit safer than losing your phone down a toilet bowl. So definitely recommend on that basis. The quality feels really better. Really better. It feels a lot better than the phone ones. The wiring's harder, if that makes sense as well. And the camera just generally looks better on the screen. So definitely recommend.